videos.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Whitehorn, a peaceful and family-friendly neighborhood located in the northeast quadrant of Calgary, Alberta. This community is known for its quiet streets and well-maintained parks, providing a serene environment for its residents. The neighborhood's name, Whitehorn, is derived from the Whitehorn Mountain, which is part of the Canadian Rockies and visible from certain parts of the area. Whitehorn offers a mix of residential living with local amenities such as schools, shops, and community centers, making it an ideal place for families and individuals looking for a balanced lifestyle. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains.
Thank you very much.
It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta. Thanks for watching.